Alright, Mamdem, it's time to put the UK on the map. So today, why is this thing flipped? I was just recording some rollers and then fed came. Come on, my guy. Man, look at this. Oh my. Bro, what is this guy on? Alright, Mamdem, first we need to go get petty. Because man is on one bar, Aladdin's on one bar, so we need to go do that. Next thing we need to do is I need to grab an ND filter because completely forgot that. And then I also need to put this thing on the thing. Aladdin's not too happy. Then we're gonna film some rollers. Then the night is young. We don't have anything planned, but we might hit up the strip, I can't lie. This guy's got no petty and he's acting like we've got enough to do things. And his tick, what, bro? Why is the thing flipped? I told you, Mamdem, I'm a chill guy. I can't even lie. It's this guy that's crazy. Look, sport by Perks. Oh, it is cooking. I don't know how this guy can be wearing a hoodie. Hey, look at his helmet though. It's looking clean. What we saying, Mamdem? Oh shit. I is baking today. Fam. This guy is active, blood. I swear, everyone that owns a 07. Bro, you man are crazy. For what reason? Bro, I literally woke up like an hour ago, bro. Let me wake up. Get fucked. I'm sneaky with it, I can't lie. Oh my. Bro, what is this guy on? This guy's active, bro. What is this guy on, bro? This guy, I swear, people are tapped. Bro, you come to central London, bro, people are tapped. Yo. Is brother alright? This guy's tapped. Fuck me. Oh, I'm retarded. I swear I'm retarded. Bro, and they only have fucking 99 octane here, bro. Oh, for fuck. Yo, why am I so close?
You're hearing that throttle controller?
Huh?
You're hearing it?
Nah, bro. Why are you active already?
Just don't move. It's all back brake.
Come on. No belly, bro. Like, you're just putting work, effort. Do you get me? Huh? I like that, yeah? Yeah. So when I write you off, it's your problem. Bro, I just got confused for a sec. I thought I was putting diesel in this rascal. Bro, why did they put the fucking... Bro, why didn't they put the diesel thing there? Why did they pull it... Bro, don't understand. Like, they could have put the 2 diesel ones here, and they could have put the... Man. Bro, look at the price! Blood clot.
Number 3, yeah. So 160.
You said it's free today, yeah?
Yeah.
It's free today. You said free, bro.
No free here.
You said free. Come on, my guy. Bro, how did I know? Bro, you're wheeling into a red light, my guy. Come on. Bro, how'd he get lost? Alright, man, then we're going straight to the strip and we're gonna record the rollers at the strip. I don't know if I feel like wheeling right now, though, I can't lie.
I want a backpack. You wanna give me backpack?
Why?
What you was saying?
Fuck hell.
Why are they plugging their ears, bro? Wasn't even doing anything crazy. That was a gap, blood. Hey, Mamdem, it is hot today. Bro, you never know with the way people move in central London. They might just sneakily try and cross the road in between a bus and then you lick them. So always make sure you're looking. That is not a gap. What is this guy doing? Such an easy route here, bro. Took the hardest route. I can't hear him.
Pocket!
These men are fucking retarded. Come on. You already know why that thing's there, bro. Just yaga yeet that thing. Wow. Raw, she wrapped it like a pinkish rainbow color. Oh shit, his plate is tiny. What is this? Oh, Honda 1000. Ooh, S1K, come on. Bro, she's active. Nice little gap. No way this guy just did all of that to reach for a vape.
Breathe air! You don't need a vape!
Oh, these cameras check if you're on your phone. They're the new things, innit? And look at this guy. Man, I can't lie. Whenever I'm filtering like this, one finger is always covering my front brake. I don't know if you can see that. Even when I ride around Central, bro, I always have one finger covering the front brake. Because, bro, we put ourselves in such a vulnerable position being on a motorbike as is. And then when we filter like this, bro, especially when it's hot, bro, car drivers don't think at all, blood. They just switch lanes, no indicator, no mirror check, no nothing. Alright, man, then we was literally at the strip. Obviously we got to the strip. My camera died. Went Asda. Now this is exactly what happened, bro. My camera died. We went Asda, grabbed some food, came to the strip. I was just recording some rollers for my man, and then feds came, blood. Like, surely you can't be this bored. Bro, we're in the middle of nowhere. Literally in the middle of nowhere. Bro, how bored you gotta be? Look, bro, would you rather me go Central and bust wheelies? Like, I don't understand. I couldn't even get a shift in. I couldn't even put in a shift. Bro, I came to the strip. I was here for 20 minutes. I didn't do one wheelie. Not one wheelie, bro. They're like, we've been getting complaints from the council. Crazy thing is, nothing even went on today. Bro, just as I was starting to like that little spot as well. Like, I've gone to the most quiet spot. Secluded. Nothing's there. The only thing I'm gonna lick if I crash is a lorry or the pavement, blood. Bro, I'm actually pissed, blood. Man came, bro. It's not even like it's a quick ride here, bro. It's like an hour and a bit to get here. Sometimes you gotta go for the gap. What is this guy doing? This guy's drinking on the job. Oh yeah, I know. Wait, it's gone. It's gone! The strings! Fuck! Bro, this bitch bringing me everywhere. Bro, you have so much fucking space over there, but you want to go into the almost the other lane. Alright, Mamdem, because today's been a little bit of a flop. We're gonna go shoot some rollers right now. Can't lie. And then we're gonna go central London. Maybe a bit of a night. Where's this guy again? Isn't it left up here? Bro, where the fuck you going, man? Alright, Mamdem, it's probably looking a bit dark for you, man. I need to take this ND off. I'm gonna do it mid-ride. Bro, that garbage bin stinks. Oh my days, that smelled like shit. Bro, you might as well just flip it at that point. Where's he going? Take me to a food spot. A what? Food spot. Wheelie in 3, 2, 1. He's not doing it, but I am. Oh my days, that terrain is mad. Oh, he took me fucking chicken hub, say no. Alright, man, then we're heading to Knightsbridge. Grab a chai latte or something. I don't really like chai, but fuck it. Huh?
He's lifting it.
Yeah.
He's lifting it.
Yeah. Come on. I don't ride with people that can't. What are you saying? 120 straight through.
120?
Yeah.
140.
Come on.
I have a 140. 150 on one wheel. I said I see him lifting it now. I can see the headlight behind him.
Come on.
Okay. Come on.
Yo. To be fair, he's going down a one-way. Always go like here. Oh shit! Almost got written off again. Yo, you wanna get written off, innit?
Huh?
You wanna get written off?
Fine, bro. I knew he was gonna come into my lane anyway. I could sense it.
He's gonna do it. Oh fam, I knew it. I haven't done any fucking knee knockers today. Bro, this guy's struggling to park. Take care, bro. You too, my bro. Alright, Mamdem. Oh, I think I've sprained my shoulder today, I can't lie. Bro, every fucking road. Haven't done a knee knocker today, blood. I done my first knee knocker today. Come on. Oh. He's not too happy, is he? Oh, shit. London, innit? Come on. Come on, cyclist angry and that. Alright, Mamdem, we're gonna end the video here, and I just want to say thank you to everyone, of course, supporting the thing, commenting on the video, liking it, sharing it, all of that. I really do appreciate it. And yeah, guys, I can't lie, today it's been a bit all over the place because the plans got messed up because of the feds, but nevertheless, I hope you man still enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys later.